No one should be unsuccessful or unhappy with knowing these laws that governs the world and our thoughts. When we send out our wants to the universe intensely while taking time to also visualize them as well, our super powerful mentality vibrates upon the things our hearts long for, working, persistently allowing us to attract them onto the material plane anywhere in the world in which a human being has soared like an eagle in life, has brought into fruition their longings and heart's desires. If you don't persistently put out the things you want to manifest, you will meet with unfavorable, dissatisfied results. You are cheating yourself out of greatness. Continue to hold your desire, whether it is music, business, arts, or any other profession. Keep it at the forefront of your mind, no matter how tough and how dark the journey is. Continue with your visualizations, and opportunity soon shows up, enabling the efforts to make it a reality. Whatever the universe or source has for your life will be given to you by chance. Believe that the source has given you all the implements needed to shape the way to what your soul wants deeply. Read the books you can access in your preferred specialty. Hold that vision in mind. Push it out. It may take some time, but by being true to yourself, your focused attention on what you want will open the doors to fulfillment of all of your desires. The greatest danger in this day and age is not the lack of chance or opportunity. It's not like it was back in the day, like back then with the Edisons. It is the losing faith in letting your vision die out. Most human beings just treat their desires as a game to be played with, as though the real realities can't come to them for real. Most just don't believe in the divinities. Yet we understand every discovery and invention, such as the airplane or phone or other achievement, has blessed the world in which all began just as a mere thought and desire. Your ambition, along with your effort, is only things that seem with the human eye appears real to most people, when in reality, the things that are unseen is the most real. For example, people do not doubt gravitation, even though it's never been seen, heard, or felt. The same goes for electricity. Although it's never been seen, smelled, or heard, everybody knows the mighty power of it. The very air that we breathe, giving us oxygen to our lungs, also can't be seen, heard, or smelled. The frequency that transmits to the airwaves, allowing us to hear music on the radio, is also another example. We know it exists, although it's unseen. There's a potency of our longings and desires when backed by great effort to bring them into our reality. A potency just as powerful as these unseen forces in nature's huge laboratory. The universe is full of these invisible possibilities. Whatever comes from the ether for you is in response to your order that you asked for. Anything that you've achieved thus far is a result of the psychic power in place in which you're consciously or unconsciously putting out into the universe. The evidence of this law is actually shown as you vibrate the intense, the burning desire for the thing longed for, giving you the ability to match your efforts. When you're given this ability from the source to match that intense desire, it is for the purpose to play in this divine game on the universal playing field. Your intense longing is the forerunner of achievement. It's like planting a seed in which germinates when nurtured by your efforts. However, if you ever halt in nurturing that seed Just like a farmer not fertilizing the soil or doing what's necessary so weeds will not grow, you won't manifest the great harvest in store for you. You must continue on through whatever challenges that may arise. You don't have to focus on the end goal. Just continue moving forward, step by step. Your faith and persistent pursuit will lead the way. We only need to do our part, and the divine source that has created everything, including you, given us this amazing place to live out the plan of this universe, continues to do the rest, even better than we can imagine. Place your order to the universe. Cultivate your desires. Force out your heart's longings with all of your might. And to your surprise, you'll begin to manifest that which you desire. Be bold and confident when placing your order to the universe. Sooner than later, you'll build out the reality in which you imagine. We must understand and have faith in the powerful laws governing the universe and our thoughts. Take your next step right where you are, and in that moment, doors will open to something better. The energy and determination you put behind your work unlocks the forces to something better. By holding your honest and true vision in your imagination, there's absolutely nothing that can get in the way of it materializing. By losing your vision when faced with hard times and setbacks, usually is the main reason people fail and their visions die. Many feel they lose their motivation to realize their dreams due to being overworked or tired or health issues. But with true belief and unstoppable faith, we don't allow them to die. We cling to them until we leave the world. Success awaits you when you can cling to the vision in your imagination, even through discouragement. Take any negative thoughts about possibly failing. Keep steadfastly down the journey of your greatest ambition. Victory will crown you by persistently maintaining a victorious attitude toward your imagined vision. Hello, this is Energy Monique from IamManifestor.com. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe now and hit that bell so you can be notified when new videos are released every week. I hope you have enjoyed. Thanks again for stopping by, and happy manifesting. See you soon.